All right, everybody, this is the social media marketing plan for Group 2. The members are Thomas Bryant, Jake White, and Jerry Pate. All right, so we chose to do our social media plan on Resthaven Restaurant, which is in Clarksdale, Mississippi. Resthaven was opened in 1947 by Shafiq Shamoon, and once he passed away a few years ago, that restaurant was passed down to his daughter Paula, and she has been the owner since. Resthaven is pretty unique because the owners and the people that are even running it now have come from Lebanon to America and have been serving Lebanese food, which is, pretty unique because nobody else around Clarksville really has that in their restaurants to offer to people. I think that is what draws a pretty good crowd. Just a month or two ago, Restaurant Impossible, which airs on the Food Network, is run by Chef Robert Irvine. They called the restaurant and pretty much offered Resthaven the opportunity to win, the makeover and the TV show to come to Clarksdale and run it. And somehow they got picked. Ended up being a really good turnout. They gave Resthaven pretty much a brand new restaurant. Everything's totally different now on the inside. It's a brand new interior. It looks really good. So that has, I think that gives Resthaven a good opportunity to expand on their marketing side, especially with everybody being really curious to come and see how that turned out. But Resthaven really almost has no social media presence and instead has used, pretty much their mouth to get, to talk about it, to get some traffic into the restaurant. They do have a Facebook account, which is their only thing, but they don't post anything really. I mean, they post a few posts a year, but the person that was running the Facebook account, they got fired a couple weeks ago, so I don't really think that's going to work anymore. And so just a little statistic is about 2.8 billion people use Facebook, so that obviously is a big marketing plan that Resthaven is really missing out on, is getting those people to see it on Facebook and create some more traffic into the restaurant. Resthaven is open for both breakfast and lunch and dinner, but breakfast and lunch are the two main ones just because there's really no competition in those areas in Clarksville. There's a few, but not very many. Resthaven has been around longer than most restaurants, so they've created a very loyal fan base. But the only issue with that is, since it's been there for so long and they're kind of still stuck in their old ways, they're still only drawing an older crowd, which is fine for now. But as time goes on, you're gonna need people from the younger generation to come in, or your business could die out in the future. So that is a big issue that we really want to get across to the owner, Miss Paula, to try and get the name out to younger people. Resthaven's goals are simple, which is to increase their social media presence and to gain more followers and everything, to just create more business, specifically from the younger generation to come in the restaurant. We thought they might could do that by running giveaways and stuff, by getting people to follow, like, and sharing the posts. All right, and so then the target market is obviously the younger generation because, of course, that's who the main people are that use social media today, and really wanting to target those younger people, just pretty much between the 18 to 40, and especially since they already have that older, loyal customer base, we're trying to, reach the younger people to better the future of the restaurant. And if we were to have a budget of $500 a month, we would spend more on a Snapchat filter, and then use the other money that we have left to put towards like search engine optimization, just to help people when they Google it to have Resthaven show up more. We really thought the Snapchat filter was a good thing, just because if you have some young people in the restaurant and they take a Snapchat, they want to put a filter on it, the name Resthaven is there, and it could create some more talk about the restaurant. And so when we looked at the business plan, the first thing we'd really would want to do is, create more social media presence on multiple platforms, like Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, and even a TikTok. Everybody uses those apps. They're very popular here. So that would be, a great way to increase your younger business. We just want them to keep up a steady presence by posting a couple times a week, and just to keep all the followers up to date with everything that's going on. And we hope to get people to interact with the restaurant through social media by doing giveaways to build up a better presence for Resthaven. All right, so that's been the social media plan for Group 2 on Resthaven Restaurant in Clarksdale, Mississippi. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank y'all for letting us skip your time today. Y'all have a great day.